Okay, so what we left last time is we can hit something right, from the socket, and we can print out the light trace and the hit point. Now, since we have the impact point, which means it's the blue sphere you see on the scene, I want to put an effect, like an impact effect on the hit location. So let's do it. And to do this, pretty much using the same thing we did for muzzle flash, because basically we just try to place some particle on the impact location. So I just copy paste pretty much everything again, and we just change a different name. Okay, so go to our CPP. Let me save it. So in the CPP here, we hit something. Okay, we play the sound when we fire, and we play the muzzle flash. We hit something. So now we have the hit result and the hit location here. So we want to play the impact effect. So this is for impact effect, right? So let me just use this. If we hit something and we just copy paste, yep, like we play the muzzle flash again, we just use the same gameplay static, spawn, emit at some certain location here, the same. The difference is this one we play the impact effect, and the location is our hit location. So yeah, let's try it out. Let me close it, save it, and build. Okay, it built, and before we really played it, we need to assign our assets, because for now this impact affects null. We need to assign it's in our blueprint. So we can check before we assign anything, right? So go to the Paragon model log, FX particle ability, primary FX. We can see this first. Okay. Hit player, or maybe hit the wall. Okay, I think we use hit the wall. It's yeah, let's use hit wall. So go to our character BP, we select hit wall, this one, and compile and play it. Yeah, you can see right now we have something from the hit location. Right, it's cool. Right? Okay, so let me remove our debugging things to see. Yeah, it's more clear right now. You can see the impact point. We also have the visual effect. So great.